Hello folks, this is Welding with Rudy for Kevin's fundraiser. There's this beautiful fireplace that we will be donating. We will be leaving a link down below for you to donate if you would like.
Kevin's back surgery down in Germany. Thank you to CNW Welding, St. Peter, Manitoba, for donating, allowing us to come here and do this. Great people. Y'all need something welded? Come on down to CNW Welding, St. Peter, Manitoba. Woo-hoo. And folks, this is the finished product donated by CNW Welding, St. Peter, Manitoba. This is a beautiful fire pit. Beautiful. Look at that. More CNW Welding signs. And then the inside is like this. You can even barbecue with this guy.